door open from downstairs. Well, come on. We got to do whatever we can to open this thing. I have an idea.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, west central Liberty County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:22 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm.
Don't worry, I have all the evidence I need.